The time now, 7:35 in the morning time on this Friday morning, March 14th, 2014 on a Friday morning.
In front of the judge, he is surely aware that they've changed their theory.
It's time now for the One Magician PG with the Border Report.
It certainly doesn't look good for them, but ultimately the question is...
Friday morning, March 14th, 2014.
That he killed her...
Just defend the mistakes made by the police.
A good morning to you all. This lovely Friday morning. Our current conditions at 7:36 a.m. in Norton, Massachusetts. Again, a temperature of 12 degrees with fair skies. Humidity 64%. Wind speed is calm. Barometer 3.13 inches. 2.2 degrees. And visibility 10 miles. Okay, let's take a look at our radar scope.
O.J. Simpson case. That was a whodunit. In this case, we know that Oscar Pistorius
Shows
was the shooter.
a couple of mentions of snow showers in the eastern portions of New Brunswick, the central and eastern portions of Nova Scotia.
I think in the forensics at the crime scene because we know he was the shooter.
Maybe unfair, but then just...
And snow showers in west central and north central portions of Prince Edward Island. Some rain, sleet, and snow showers in the eastern portions of Prince Edward Island. Here,
Came in this week. That's been...
snow showers in western portions of Quebec, down for Ontario, and down for northeastern portions, northern portions of Minnesota. Sleet and rain showers in the eastern portions of UP and Michigan and the north central portions of Ontario. Rain showers in the south central portions of Minnesota and the north central portions of Iowa. Here,
As always, I appreciate it.
Thank you.
back to the rain showers in the northwestern portions of Arkansas, down for the central portions of Oklahoma. Rain showers in the central portions of New Mexico and down for Arizona. Here, and back to every way from northwestern California down for Oregon and down for western Washington down for southwestern portions of British Columbia with some sleet and snow showers in the Cascades and the Cascades and the Olympics of Washington State and on the Oregon mountains here, and rain showers in the north central portions of Oregon and the east central portions of Washington State.
Chicago, your parades tomorrow at noon, partly sunny, chilly, temperatures in the mid.
Sleet, snow, sleet, and rain showers in the east central portions of British Columbia here. Sleet showers in the west central portions of Alberta and some snow showers in west central and southeastern portions of
Monday morning, 10-15, cloudy, mild showers, temperatures
Saskatchewan and in the north central and east central portions of North Dakota here.
cloudy, cold, a 60%.
Rapid City, South Dakota. Good morning, 34 degrees with clear skies here.
Last time we had a half an inch or more of snow 10 years ago, so looks like we may come close.
Okay, let's take a look at our satellite looping. It shows benton clouds from northern portions of Virginia down to eastern West Virginia, stretching out Pennsylvania, New York, and stretching it up from western Quebec and down through Great Lakes and stretching it out from Minnesota to North Dakota down through Ontario down for several portions of
this afternoon, but still below normal. Tomorrow above normal.
Manitoba, Saskatchewan, and the benton clouds from Oregon and Washington down from northern portions of Idaho down through Montana, stretching it out southwestern portions of
Again, on Monday, there's one snowflake there. Not
Saskatchewan, Denver, Alberta, down for British Columbia here, and a batch of clouds from Missouri and Arkansas, stretching out of Kansas, Oklahoma, and down for northern Texas, New Mexico, and down for
And just announced Grandma
Arizona, down for western portions of Mexico here.
Enrique Iglesias.
Really? You've been talked against Sunday night, so
Okay, let's take a look at our map situation here. Cold and warm front clashing together in British Columbia, bringing some storminess to the Pacific Northwest here. Cold front from Alberta stretching to southern Saskatchewan, Manitoba down for central Ontario. Station front from Montana, cold front from Wyoming stretching out for northeast Colorado, Nebraska down for Iowa down for western Wisconsin, and warm front from southern Ontario down for western portions of Michigan here. And a front boundary from Iowa stretching out of Kansas and down for northern Texas and then stretching out for southern New Mexico down for northern portions of Mexico here. Low pressure down for western Texas to northern Texas here. And high pressure in the east to north. High pressure centered in the Carolinas and eastern portions of Idaho around the Yellowstone Valley here. Front boundary from Iowa stretching to Kansas down for northern Texas, New Mexico down for northern Mexico. And a front boundary from southern Nevada down for western Arizona. Front boundary from southern British Columbia down to central Washington and Oregon here. We got 17 degrees on temperature now. Boston, it's 32 out in Washington, D.C., 36 in Atlanta, 60 in Miami, 61 in Brownsville, 50 in Dallas, Texas, 50 in Kansas City, 41 in Chicago, 38 in Minneapolis, 31 out in Denver, 45 in Albuquerque, 46 in Salt Lake City, 35 in Great Falls, 51 in Seattle, 54 in San Francisco, and 57 out in Los Angeles here.
Can your paper tell you that? No.
Okay, let's take a look at our map situation here. Our regional temperatures, it's 17 in Boston, it's 11 in Bedford, 12 in Beverly 15 in Gloucester, 14 in Fitchburg, 11 in Worcester, 14 in Sturbridge, 9 in Webster, 13 in Milford, 10 in Norwood, 12 in Taunton, 13 in Fall River, 16 in Falmouth, 18 in Chatham, 18 in Martha's Vineyard, 20 in Nantucket, 21 in Block Island, 18 out in Westerly, 9 in Smithfield, 22 in Groton, 19 in New Haven, 21 in Bridgeport, 16 in Danbury, 14 in Waterbury, 17 in Burn, 18 in Hartford, 18 in Windslock, 17 in Springfield, 15 in Amherst, 16 in Amherst, 16 in Greenfield, 6 in Orange, 7 in Pittsfield, 10 in North Adams, 15 in Albany, 9 in Bennington, 1 in Milton Keene, 10 in Manchester and Nashua, 16 in Portsmouth, it's 23 in New York City, 22 in Islip, and 24 in Montauk. Okay, let's take a look at our HPC forecast discussion. Cold air quickly exits into the east before returning across the Midwest and the Northeast Saturday into Sunday. Frontal system crosses to the northwest before dropping southeastward across the Rockies toward the Southern Plains. Rainfall develops across the Southern Plains, Gulf Coast, and southeast on Saturday into the Sunday. A freezing rain and sleet and snow develops along the middle of Mississippi Valley, Lower Ohio Valley, toward the middle line of states later on Sunday. Rain changes continue to occur across the country as the cold air mass currently over the east moves quickly eastward and is followed by a rapid warm-up on Friday. Another surge of cold air is again poised to enter into this country on Friday as colder air drops south and eastward across the northern plain states and Midwest, and low pressure system remains north of the U.S.-Canadian border on Friday and Saturday as a cold front will drop south and eastward across the northern interior and will be followed by a large cold high pressure system from central Canada toward the upper Midwest by Sunday morning. Very cold conditions will again return to the upper Midwest and the northwest. A cold front will be crossing the Pacific Northwest on Friday where coastal rain and water snow will before moving south and eastward across the Rocky Mountains on Saturday. There won't be any large amounts of moisture with it, spread initially with scattered snow at higher elevations moving along the Rockies here. Break up and low over the southwest will move eastward on Friday night and Saturday associated with some mountain snows across the southwestern states before moving eastward toward the Southern Plains by Saturday morning. On Saturday, moisture from the Gulf of Mexico is brought northward and head to the system as a development area. Rain and thunderstorms develop across Texas, Oklahoma, and the lower Mississippi Valley on Saturday. On Saturday night and Sunday, a combination of the frontal system moving toward the southern plains and the upper low moving eastward to the produce an expanded area of heavy rain over the middle and lower Mississippi Valley into the southern east with breeze, rain, sleet, and snow along the northern edge of the precipitation from the mid-most Mississippi Valley, the lower Ohio Valley, and the middle Atlantic states by Sunday evening here.
London, Jana, good morning. Cameron, good morning.
Okay, let's take a look at our forecast discussion for New England there. High pressure moving off the coast will allow temperatures of moderate flat Saturday with just a period of scattered rain showers very late tonight and Saturday morning. High pressure will lead to below normal temperatures Saturday night and Sunday. A coastal storm to the south will be watched closely for possible impacts to Southern New England Sunday night and Monday. More precipitation possible Thursday. Near-term forecast with very weak surface warm front all the way moving across the area this morning. Drift from 7 Vermont to 7 Rhode Island about 11 Z. 7 a.m. This has mostly manifested itself as a rapid rise and a new wind from the negative single digits to possible to single digits to 10 degrees. A weak wind shift to the southwest as some scattered broken low middle also convenes because this will be the general trend for the morning with some skies becoming part of cloudy once again in the afternoon. Also modest low level jet shifts should be allowed for gusty southwest winds to pick up with them to the mix and looking for mainly 20-30 mile per hour with gusty times. Fast corrected them actually doing the best at the moment on the temperature is 2 points, so use it for baseline adjustments there.
It has offered a glimpse into the life of the royal family.
Princess Diana was of course chased by the media and paparazzi famously.
Okay, let us take a look at our
To try to get her point of view across during the marriage crisis.
temperature roller coaster. The temperature roller coaster continues here. For Boston, it'll be 38 on Friday, 53 Saturday, 35 for Sunday, and 28 for Monday. Hartford, 39 on Friday, Saturday, 52, Sunday, 35, and Monday, 28. Providence, 39 on Friday, 55 Saturday, 59, Sunday, 29 on Monday, and Manchester, 37 on Friday, Saturday, 49, and Sunday, 31, and Monday, 25 degrees. So, the temperature roller coaster continues here. Okay, let's take a look at our 7-day forecast. It goes like this.
Someone bathed in handsome oikos man.
For today, most of the skies are near 39 degrees. West wind about 5 to 14 miles per gust. That's 28 miles per hour. Tonight, A slight chance of showers after 5 a.m. Increased skies with a low at 33 degrees south wind about 10 to 13 miles per hour. Gust size 28 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation 20%. Saturday, chances of showers mainly before noon. Cloud skies and gradually becoming most of the skies out here. 55 degrees. West wind about 10 to 13 miles per hour. Gust size 24 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 50% new. Precipitation about to less than a 10 inch possible. Saturday night, most of the skies low at 27 degrees. West wind about 7 to 11 miles per hour. Gust size 21 miles per hour. Sunday, most of the skies out here. 37 degrees. West wind about 8 to 10 miles per hour. Sunday night, and chance of snow. Slight chance of snow after 11 p.m. Most of the skies low at 19 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 20%. Monday, chance of snow between 7 a.m. and 11 a.m. Most of the skies high near 28 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 30%. Monday night, most of the skies low at 19 degrees. Tuesday, most of the skies high near 36 degrees. Tuesday night, part of the skies low at 22 degrees. Wednesday, part of the skies high near 43 degrees. Wednesday night, a chance of rain and snow showers. Most of the skies low at 29 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 30% of Thursday. Chance of rain and snow showers. Part of the skies high near 49 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 40%. Here's what a phrase of the day. A frigid Friday morning on tap, but a mild start tomorrow, and the temperature roller coaster continues. This is BJ with you, but a good day with a good positive attitude here.
Plus, get an